Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is mutually exclusive events, two outcomes that can't both happen at once. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add their probabilities and the one situation where direct addition fails. Definition. Two events are mutually exclusive if they can't both occur. So rolling a 3 and a 4 on a single die are mutually exclusive. You get one or the other, not both. When events are mutually exclusive, the probability of A or B happening is just the probability of A plus the probability of B. Direct addition. No overlap to worry about. Key insight. Add probabilities directly when events are mutually exclusive. Roll one die, probability of 3 or 4. That's 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 equals 2 over 6 equals 1/3. Simple addition. The events can't overlap, so nothing's double counted. Common mistake. Adding probabilities of non-mutually exclusive events without subtracting the overlap. Draw a card from a deck. The probability of a king or a heart. Or some cards are both, the king of hearts. So you double counted if you just added. That's the overlap correction. Quick example. Draw a card from a deck. The probability of king or queen. These are mutually exclusive. No card is both. There are 4 kings, 4 queens, and 52 in total. So add 4 over 52 plus 4 over 52 equals 8 over 52, which simplifies to 2/13.